This is a DIY website's web page. Let's add tag slider. Here is the tag slider over here. Just add it on the page. And then I'm seeing some slides with some content inside. But I want to refine it to a specific tag. That's why it's tag slider. And here I have tags. And when I click, I get a drop down with tags. At the moment, I have only a single tag salad. And I can filter to a salad, and this will show me pages that are tagged with that salad tag. I will explain later how you can tag pages. But at the moment, I'm seeing content from all the sides, including the home page with an image, including the tag slider, that page itself, and including some other pages that I have recipes, salad recipes there. And if I select salad only here, like that, the slides on the tag slider will change and they will show pages tagged with salad, with the salad tag. So I can see only the 3 pages now, no more homepage, no more tag slider. And then I can decide how many slides per view. So I can make it like 3 slides per view or 2. In case, because I have only 3 slides, the first slide will have 2 and the next slide will have just a single one. But in case of a 4 or more, you will see them all split. Then I can show even 4 slides per view. I don't have 4 now, but imagine that there will be another one here. I'll go down to this. Now, the style is where the title goes. So the title can be in the middle, the bottom, on the left. And then I can say autoplay. Autoplay means that every 5 seconds that slide will jump. The slider will jump to a different slide every 5 seconds. And then the final one that I want to show you is tags salad, but you can order by the oldest to be shown first or the newest to be shown first. I mean the newest created pages with that tag. And here is the tag slider and all my salad recipes. Now I will save that page and I will show how a page can be tagged with a specific tag. If I go back to pages, I have 3 specific pages that are salad recipes. And I tagged those with a tag called salad. Now, there are a few ways for you to tag a page. Whenever you create a new page, I will say new page, I place the title of the page here, but I can use a tag salad, or if the tag does not exist, soup, I can add it here. Then create. That page will be created, menu. That page will be created with that title and these tags added to the page. Now, another way, if you already have an existing page, edit, then settings and SEO. When I go to settings and SEO, I can see the tags again and I can add soup, salad, or a new one that doesn't exist. New one, and because it doesn't exist, it will just suggest me to add it to here. Then save. Now, one thing that is very important for the tag slider, you need at least 1 image on the page. If you don't have that image on the page, it should be at least 1. It doesn't matter where it's positioned on the page, but you need an image. If you don't have the image, I will just show you what's happening. I will delete that image for the green salad, then publish the page. Now I will go to my page with where the tag slider is, And you can see that the green salad doesn't have an image, so it is more like the title in the middle and that's it. Then there is the other one, and then there is the other one with proper images. But that one doesn't have, because there isn't any image on that page. So make sure that you have one image there to represent, to be represented here on the tag slider. Now, what happens if you want to remove that page from the slider? You have to go to that page, pages, green salad, and just remove the tag. I don't want this to fall under salads anymore. Save. Go to my tag slider page, and it's not here anymore because the tag is being removed. One important thing, when you are in page edit mode, the tag slider is not clickable, so you cannot navigate to that specific recipes page. But when you publish, and when you go to the published page, this is the published page, I will just open, like, get the link to the page, open it in a new tab just to see what it's like. Then the tag slide, this is the page that the users will see, not like out of edit mode, this is the live page. And then I can see that that image is a link. If I click on it, I will redirect to that specific page. Go back, go to the next slide, click on it, it's going to the page. So this is how the tag slider works. Probably this is the most complex component so far in DIY websites. But I hope that that video will help you to configure it and use it.